said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than.
Hey guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV, and today I have been out doing a little shopping. So I have a few things I have to show you and a surprise. So guys, if you want to see what I have in store, then just stay tuned and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up this video, and let's get to it. All right guys, well, y'all know that last week I went and bought some new sconce pendant covers for all of the chandeliers in that room and all of my kitchen lights in this room. Now, for the small lights that's in the ceiling, I have a different idea for that because I didn't see any that matched this. I really do like these pendant light covers. They are beautiful. They mix with a teal, bluish green, and brown and tan, right? But the ones in the dining room are slightly different. Let me show you. All right, guys, these are the pendant lights that's in, the kitchen dining room, and they are slightly different. And the reason why I don't mind that, you're going to see in a minute, okay? So you guys know for a minute, I could not stand the pendant light covers that was in my kitchen or on my chandelier for many, many years. And I've tried different techniques to make me like them, but nothing worked. And then I went to Menards last week and I seen these beautiful pendant shade lights, and they were on sale for $14.99. So you may as well say $15. They have never been that price. So I just scooped them up all at one time. So the first Menards I went to only had 3, but I only have 3 lights in my kitchen. So I ended up getting the 3 lights in my kitchen that were the same. When I went to a different Menards, they had a variety of those in there. But guys, what I'm basically saying is I don't mind that because I want each room to have its own personality, or its own theme. So let me show you something, guys. Now, since I have switched out all the light pendants in my home, then what do you do with those light pendants? What do you do with them? Well, guys, you know that all the extra light pendants, they can be used for so many different things. Now, with this light pendant, I paired it with a candle holder. I paired it with a candle holder. I made a video about it, and so I love turning this on at night. And I have 3 of them sitting on my console table in the front room. So that's what I made out of, these. But if you think about it, guys, these can be flower holders. You can set this with a light inside of it in your bathroom when you're taking a nice, soothing bath. There's a lot of things you can do with those light pendants. I'm going to show you another trick right now. And guys, you can put it in a candle holder and put a little Dollar Tree light in there, and it'll be beautiful. Or you could take it out. And I have so many of these, guys. Glue these 2 together, and you could put a light underneath the other part and have both sides shining. You can also arrange this to be a wall sconce. There is so many things that you can do when you just take your time and think about how you can do it. Like I said, even without the candle holder, if you just want a night light in one of your kids' rooms or turn this into a lamp, there's so many options that you have just with playing with things that you have around the house. And that's what I have been doing. So guys, that was just something that I wanted to show you, give you a little surprise. But basically the main thing that I am coming here to talk to you about, what I really want to talk to you about, guys, is all right, guys, so last week I bought some curtains and they were green, and I struggled with the look of those curtains for a week, basically. One day I liked them, one day I didn't, one day I liked them, one day I didn't. But that was stressful. So I said, you know what? Take them down. Don't go through that. Take them down. So I took them down. Shortly after taking those curtains down, that's when I seen these light pendants on sale and I went on and got the light pendants, right? So this is why I say, guys, listen to your mind. I was out today doing my runs, and I went to Ross. Look at these curtains, guys. Look how pretty these curtains are. You get 4 of these teal green curtains for $17.99. Let me show you how good they match with both rooms. All right, guys, we are in my front room / dining room kitchen, and I am going to combine both of these rooms with these curtains. I'm trying to add a punch of color. To my, front room and kitchen without going too far or making it seem way down, okay? So we are about to put these curtains up to see if they're going to tie these 2 rooms in, because they already go, guys, with the light pendants that I chose already, right? And I have another idea. I probably won't show that to you in this video, but I have another idea that is going to be just outstanding for you guys who want to decorate with pennies, okay? All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, this is the way I ended up hanging them up. I still have to do some other things to them, like pin them, because I love to use pins to hold my curtains together. And I have to look at it for a couple of days, and also I have to steam them, because curtains take on a whole different look when you steam them. So guys, in the comment section down below, tell me what you think of how these curtains look. I thought I would turn off the light to show y'all how it looks like this. And I can honestly tell you guys, I love the way it's making me feel. It's making me feel happy and calm. I don't know if it's because of the teal bluish green. It is because of that. These are nice. You've got a hint of soft light coming through. But basically, I love the way they make me feel. So I am going to steam them. I am going to look at them for a couple of days. But I'm more excited. I am more excited about putting them in the kitchen, because that's where most of the, teal green pendant light covers are. So now we're going to move to the kitchen and put some in the kitchen. Yes, I am busting with so many ideas because of those curtains right there. So for right now, let's go put these curtains in the kitchen and see how these 2 rooms tie together. While I'm doing that, guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below what you think about this little pop of color that's making these rooms come together. It is not pretty trying to get these curtains up here. I can tell y'all that right now. All right, well, they are up. I like them. Like I said, the green ones, I didn't feel this way about the green ones that I had put up, the Martha Stewart ones, the way I feel about these. And I believe these have a better chance with me than the Martha Stewart ones. And it gives me options. Okay, basically, guys, what I'm about to show you, I could have saved it for a different video, but I decided to show you in this video. Now, this right here is an extra pendant light cover that I have, right? And the idea that I came up with was this. Dun, 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 dun. So my idea is to just spritz it lightly with some of this and see if I am going to put this in over another lamp that I have. That way I don't have to go buy new lampshades. Or I am going to put it in my ceiling light fixture because I couldn't find the pendants that match these. So let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, these are the lights that are in my ceiling, and I couldn't find any small pendant light covers to match the ones that I have hanging directly behind it. So what I am going to do is lightly spray those with the blue color, and then I am going to get a very narrow, paintbrush and go and make veins through it with some brown paint. So I'll make a video on that. But guys, let me show you something else. All right, guys, this is the way the living room looks at night. Leave in the comment section down below what you think about how everything is coming together. These are the 3 light fixtures that I made, and it gives off the right ambiance and lighting for this room. I think the choices that I have made are perfect. There's a few little things that I want to incorporate to make it over the top, but for right now, I am good. This is the kitchen dining room area, and like I said, the curtains brought these 2 rooms together. I got the curtains from Ross for $17.99, and you get 4 panels. So guys, this is how everything came together so far. But there's other little things that I will be incorporating into these 2 rooms to put it over the top. So leave in the comment section down below if you want to find out where I got any of these items that you see in this room. Now, because I am loving the way that these curtains are making me feel, I can tell you guys that I am going to keep them, but also this gives me another punch of color. So guys, I have the lights off, and I can honestly tell you I love the ambiance. I love the ambiance that these curtains are giving, and I cannot wait to experiment with these globes and this paint here. I can't wait. So guys, be looking out for that video. Anything that I left out of this video, leave it in the comment section, and you know I will answer you back. So until next time, guys, thank you for coming by, spending this time with me. You guys are the best. You are the reason why my channel is growing, and I really do appreciate you guys. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, be kind to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.